PhD modelling the air-water interface. Frank, complex systems and computational chemistry, what's the connection?
There's a huge connection. In the last 30 years, computational chemistry has been one of the first kind of founders of typical popular science to actually take ideas of complexity, whether we called it not that word or not, and apply them to large-scale simulations. I mean, any molecular dynamic simulations has very basic rules to do with Newton's equations, but the actual interactions between each particles and emergent behavior that comes from all of this is just part of chemistry. It's part of life as well.
So tools have migrated from chemistry to other areas. How's this happened?
Well, again, it's basically because the simple rules behind most chemistry or computational chemistry programs are based on Newton's equations. Newton's equations have a far-reaching impact within physics, chemistry, biology, any kind of thing to do with life. So modeling these in a computational benefit and modeling them in a way that's large-scale simulations. Developing these tools has not only affected the physics. For instance, if you want to model the movement of a planet in an astronomical plane, it's the same kind of basic rules. But it's just that the scale of how many things you are modeling have given us tools in computational chemistry to be able to deal with this vast number of different particles.
And how would you characterize some of the benefits you get from the approach?
Well, the benefits is that we can't see molecules. In physics, a lot of things you can see and you can't see. In chemistry, you definitely can't see anything that goes on. You only see the large-scale effects. And so if we really want to get down into the deep intricacies and mechanisms of what's going on, we can try and do this using experiments, but it's basically like doing everything with your hands blind and you're just fiddling away. With computational chemistry, we can really see the molecules and we can make our predictions based on what's happening visible to everyone.
And how significant has this approach, this been to the study of chemistry?
In the last 10, 15 years, it's emerged as a very significant area of computational chemistry. There's been Nobel Prizes awarded in the field, and now really every single paper that is published within, just if it's on a drug study or it's on an inorganic study or something like that, it has a computational chemistry element to it. It has a section involved which says we studied this using computational methods, this is what we found. So it's really ingraining itself within the area in the department right now, and it only looks set to get bigger.
Frank, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.